Hello there. So for this video, let's talk about your PowerPoint file not opening. There will be a number of reasons that's why this is not opening, one of which is that that file came from another computer. So I have two methods for you here. Right click on that one on the file itself, go for properties. Now if your file came from another computer, for example, your laptop or your friend's laptop, you should see an option right here just below advanced. It says that unblock or blocked. Make sure you check on the block option and click on apply. And okay, so that's first step. Next step for you guys is open up your PowerPoint file. Now it should be looking like this one, and if it's not really opening up on your application, go in here under files, click on options. In here looking for the one that says trust center, click on center settings. Looking for the one that says protective view, click and check the first one. Enable protective view files originating from internet. Basically for that one, click on OK, and you'll be good to go. Now for some reason, the problem still persists. So I have a bonus tutorial for you. In here, go to control panel, like so, click on installer program. In here, typing PowerPoint, just install PowerPoint right there, or Microsoft Offices. Easy as that. And then reinstall it to make sure everything is good. And basically that's it.